Welcome to the Optimum CAD solution. I am Pankaj Randabarki. Once again, we'll start the discussion on our free online course that is Plastic Product Design and Advanced CATIA. In that, we started the free course on an interior trim design. Today, we are going to cover the automobile plastic introduction in an interior trim design. So, this is the part 3 video of an interior trim design. Course content for interior trim design. Those are the few points, and we are at plastic material and injection molding. So, next one that is content for today's discussion. Today we are going to discuss about plastic introduction, types of a plastic, why plastic used in automobile. And in the next video we will cover plastic materials and their properties, the plastic materials which is used in a various part of a automobile. So thus we are going to cover. So we'll start the plastic introduction. The plastic are the synthetic polymers of a high molecular weight. Polymers are something which made up of a different units as like a chain. Each link of a unit is connected to each other, and normally they are like a carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, silicon, etc. All are the polymerized together in a chain. So this process is known as polymerization. So for simplification, you can see in the image the different kind of a units like a carbon, hydrogen, oxygen or a silicon. They are linked with each other and it forms structure like a chain. So this process is nothing but the polymerization process. So simply it is the process in which the relatively small molecules, those are the monomers, combine chemically to produce a very large chain-like structure or a network of molecules. So those network is nothing but the polymers, and the process to form this is polymerization. So next one in the plastic introduction. So what is the plastic? It is very typical technical definition, but simply the plastic is the material which melts when heat is applied and solidify when heat is removed. So this definition is enough for automobile material selection in the plastic. Or automobile plastic, this is a very simple definition. What is the plastic? Which is melts when heat is applied, and when we are removing the heat or solidify, it will again comes to its original shape, or it will comes to the solid. So this is the plastic. Generally the melting point or a melting temperature lies between 180 degree to the 300 degree Celsius. The process of a plastic component manufacturing are known as the molding. It may be injection molding, vacuum casting, extrusion molding, or any different type of a material manufacturing. So next one, that is type of a plastic. So simply there are two types: thermoplastic, thermosetting plastic. So we'll discuss in the detail. First one, that is thermoplastic. The thermoplastic are the plastic materials which melts when heat is applied and solidify on a cooling. Again heat is applied, they melt and solidify on cooling. So those materials in a simple way recyclable. When the thermoplastic is softened by the heat, it can be shaped by using the different manufacturing process or like extrusion or molding, etc. Thermoplastic offer a versatility and a wide range of applications. So in the automobile industry, we are mostly using the thermoplastic materials or a thermoplastic components for manufacturing of a different automobile components. The thermoplastic material can be cooled and heated several times without any change in their chemical properties or a mechanical properties. So it means the thermoplastic is simply reused or a recyclable. The thermoplastic examples like LDPE, that is low density polyethylene, HDPE, that is high density polyethylene, PP, that is polypropylene, polyamide, ABS, that is acetylnitrile butadiene styrene, then polystyrene, PVC, polyvinyl chloride. So those are few examples. In the next video we will see the different materials which is applicable in automobile industry with their mechanical and chemical properties. So the next one, that is thermosetting plastic. So simply thermosetting plastic is the material which melts when heat is applied and pressure applied, but those are not recyclable. So we'll see. On melting, the chemical reaction takes place, and further application of a heat and pressure, it takes the desired shape or solidify. The thermosetting plastic are formed by the consideration polymerization, whereas the thermoplastic are the plastic polymerized substance formed by the addition of a polymerization process. The thermosetting plastic become the permanently hard on the application of a heat but do not soft for further heating. It means those materials are not recyclable. Once the solidification takes place, it cannot be remolded. That is, those are not reused. For example, the formaldehyde, melamine, backline, etc. are few thermosetting plastics. Now the question is, why plastic material used in automobile? So this is the basic questions which arise in the industry, and in the interviews such kind of a tricky questions will be expected. So simply plastic, the use of a plastic components which is going to increase in Indian automobile industry also, only to reduce the weight of our vehicle and to get the more economic vehicles on the road. With the development of the automotive industry, the plastic part have become an important part of the automobile. In the developed countries, the amount of a plastic part used in automobiles has become an important indicator of the level of a automotive design and manufacturing. We can't list all the plastic parts on the car, just list a few important automotive plastic parts. So in the image you can see the different parts and components of a automobile car where the plastic components or a plastic material used. So next one, in the why plastic is used, we'll see the advantages. As we discussed, plastic have a less density, so it has a major advantage that the weight is very low. So low weight is a first advantage. Easily available, can be easily molded, ideal for mass production, the critical shapes or critical designs. It is easy to mold, easy to produce by using the plastic. Good finishing, it means no need of a secondary finishing operation for particular plastic part. Components in a different colors can be molded, can be recyclable, easy to recycle. So only thermoplastic, as we already discussed. Economical, durable. So those are the few advantages against why plastic is used. Now as well as there are some defects also for the plastic components. So in the next video we will see the plastic material, its mechanical and chemical properties, the plastic components which is used in a different locations or different parts in the automobile, and disadvantages or defects of a plastic in the next video. So guys, be continue with us. We will share more and more technical knowledge to you. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Subscribe, share and hit the bell icon.